throw the ball.
Ready? You throw it? You throw it. Ready? Go get it.
Fetch.
Throw the ball. You throw it? Are you gonna throw it?
Go get the football. Go get the red football right there. See it? Go get the football. Throw it to Daddy. I know you want a baseball too, but...
Why don't you go get the big baseball? Where is it? Where's the big baseball?
Hey, go get the football. Right there.
Let's go see what he's doing. Let's go see what he's doing.
Go get him, Tyler.
Where's Logan? Oh, look, you each have one now. Logan, don't you already have one? Uh-oh. Logan, what you doing, buddy? Come on. What? Let's go outside. Come on. Let's go find Tyler.